I'm Alex Paul. I'm the Volunteer Co-ordinator for a project within Age Cymru Swansea Bay, based in Home Care Plus, and I cover the local area providing volunteers to people who are experiencing high levels of loneliness within the community. So I've attended a workshop here today with the outreach officer as part of Senedd Swansea, and I've learnt quite a bit that I didn't previously know about who represents us in the area and what the structure is of that. I've also understood better how we can approach issues that affect the people within our organisation, the older people within our communities. I also learned that it's easier than we might have imagined to raise issues with our local assembly members and who to approach with the various issues that people in the community may have. I feel that this workshop has been really beneficial, not just for the people that I represent within the community, but also for myself. Accessing information has been made easier for me to understand where to go and who to approach, and I think that'll make a big difference in terms of how I approach things. If I find that there is a particular issue that's affecting the clients that we work with, then I know how to make a petition for that, for example, so I understand now that it's easier than we may have initially thought. I've really enjoyed this workshop today, and if there are any in the future in my local area, then I think I would definitely consider attending.